Want to incorporate push-ups into your workout routine, but don't know how to execute this exercise correctly? On the Health Fruition channel, we'll teach you how and provide you with the ultimate guide when doing push-ups. If you want to step up your exercise routine, be sure to subscribe and stay with us until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get started. When starting a fitness routine, the first thing to do is assess your current physical condition. If you're a beginner or a senior, starting with low-impact exercises like walking and stretching is best to slowly build your endurance and strength. If you're a kid, you can start with running and jumping activities to get into exercising. It doesn't matter if it's walking at the park or running a full marathon. As long as you're moving your body, it's better than doing nothing. After assessing your current physical condition, you know which exercise you can handle and which exercises may be too much for you. For example, the usual strength exercises that people start off with is push-ups. But what is a push-up? Push-ups are a common exercise that work the pectoral muscles and triceps. They're often done in sets or as a part of a workout routine. A push-up is a full-body exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. It is one of the best exercises for building upper body strength. A push-up is done by lowering your chest to the ground, lifting yourself back up to the starting position, and repeating the motion many times. So why do people do push-ups? That's because there are numerous benefits to doing push-ups. First, push-ups work out the muscles in your chest, shoulders, arms, back, core, and strengthen your upper body. Because your core and upper body muscles are gaining more strength, push-ups also help improve your balance and coordination. As this exercise improves your strength, it also improves your cardiovascular health and endurance, since push-ups help increase your lung capacity by improving breathing techniques. As a result, it raises your heart rate and increases blood flow. Lastly, push-ups are a simple exercise you can do anywhere, whether at home or in the gym. You can even do them while you watch TV or wait for an appointment. Despite all these benefits, push-ups are often overlooked and usually not done correctly. We'll teach you the proper way to do a push-up so you can see better results and avoid injuries. How to perform basic push-ups. There are many variations of push-ups. You can do them on the floor, with your hands on a bench or chair for variety, or against the wall for extra stability. To do a basic push-up, start by placing your hands on the ground, about shoulder width apart. Your fingers should be spread wide, flat on the floor, with your palms facing down. Keep proper posture by aligning your ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, and head. Lower yourself until you're about an inch from touching your nose to the ground. Push yourself back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Improving your posture during push-ups. If you've just started doing push-ups, the most critical thing is your posture. A good posture is the key to avoiding back pain and injury. It also provides a more efficient way to do the exercise. So now, let's tackle some tips to improve your posture during a push-up. Don't lock your arms at the elbow point. Instead, always keep them slightly bent. Don't shrug. To avoid shrugging, keep your shoulders in line with your ears and push them away from your neck. Keep your head in line with the rest of the spine and avoid tilting it down or up. Don't let your hips sink towards the ground or rise too high in the air. Keep them level with the rest of your body. If you find yourself not maintaining proper form, it could be a sign of fatigue. Rest and reset. Now that we've talked about the benefits of doing push-ups and the proper way to do one, let's move on to the mistakes you should avoid while performing a push-up. Avoid these push-up mistakes. These mistakes are common for anyone just starting off, so keep watching to see if you've been guilty of doing these too. Not breathing or breathing incorrectly. Proper breathing is essential in any exercise because it can help you stay calm and work out your muscles to get the most out of your workout. The proper breathing for push-ups is to breathe in as you go down to the floor and breathe out as you push yourself up. Doing incomplete push-ups. This is one of the most common push-up mistakes, especially for beginners. Many people find it hard to go down in a push-up, so they stop at a half push-up, which is halfway to the floor. To make up for this, they often let their head drop, which is incorrect posture. Before you push up, you should be able to touch your chest to the floor. You'll know you're using a full range of motion in properly working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Placing your hands in the wrong position. The right place to put your hands is right under your shoulders. If you put your hands too far forward, you could hurt your shoulder joints. If you put your hands too far back, you could damage your wrists. Flaring your elbows out. When doing push-ups, your elbows should be close to your ribs. Think chicken wings, not flaring out to the sides. Try not to exceed an angle more than 45 degrees away from your body. What happens if you do push-ups for 30 days? Now you've done push-ups with the proper form and avoided the mistakes. You're probably thinking, what happens if I keep doing push-ups? Is anything going to change? And the answer is yes. With a stronger upper body, your posture will improve too, since push-ups work your back muscles and help you build a strong, stable core so you can stand up straight. You can also use the strength you've gained for daily tasks like pushing open a heavy door. Aside from gaining more strength, you'll also slim down since push-ups help you burn more calories in your body. And though all these sound good, one of the best changes you can get from doing push-ups long-term is a better mindset. There will be times when you want to give up midway through your push-up, and there will be days when you don't feel like working out at all. However, these are the times when you must push through and remember your end goal, which, in the long run, improves your mental and physical discipline and control. That's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you have other exercises you want me to talk about, comment them below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new videos. Good luck on your fitness journey and see you next time.